Guys, it's Risa and my mom Molly. Say hi.
Hi.
And we're going to be making a stuffing. So we took a box of matzo farfel and you add hot water over it and you let it stand for about 5 minutes to get it nice and soft. And you're going to put it in a strainer to just drain out the water. We've added 1 big onion to about a couple tablespoons of oil. And we're going to just add the rest of the vegetables, about a cup's worth of just peppers, and more than a cup of mushrooms, and celery and different color peppers, okay? And we're just throwing that in. What you're going to also need is some matzo meal. We're going to add that in afterwards, a couple tablespoons, and some garlic powder, some poultry seasoning, a little oregano, pepper, and some salt. And you'll need 2 eggs. So we're just pan frying it right now to soften it. And it smells so good with all these vegetables. Okay. Do you have anything yet?
You can put in the salt and pepper and everything in there.
Okay. We're going to add some pepper. Just a few sprinkles. We don't really measure this, guys, so probably about a teaspoon or so. Let's see. Let's see, some salt here. My mom's going to do it because I'm holding the camera. She's going to pour in a little bit of some salt. Yep, good amount of salt, about a teaspoon or so, maybe a little bit more. And then you just keep mixing it. We'll have it at a medium heat. And now we're going to add. Now we're going to add some matzo meal. Yeah, at least 2 tablespoons. Let's see, where's the tablespoon? Okay, so we're going to put the. Can't reach it. Alrighty here. Alright. No, my mom's going to have to do it because I can't do it while I hold the camera. So you just sprinkle that on. And that'll bind it together. We like a crispy stuffing. So we put it in a Pyrex dish, a large Pyrex dish, like a 9 by 13. And you'll grease that with some oil. And so she's just mixing it in. Okay. Some garlic powder? Sure. We'll add some garlic.
Here, come here.
Put some oregano? Yeah, my mom says some oregano. We'll put that in. And she's just putting in about a teaspoon or so of some nice, yummy garlic. And she's going to mix it. And some poultry seasoning. We're going to put in some poultry seasoning. How much?
That's up to you.
Okay.
The one for the poultry.
Here.
Guess a tablespoon.
Yeah. My mom's going to put in a tablespoon. Not easy. There.
Right.
Okay.
Well, you can always taste it.
Yeah, we always taste. That's one thing.
That's
a good amount. Nice amount. We'll just keep stirring it. All right.
Now you can take that out.
Let's
Let
take
it
this.
cool-
Yeah.
let it cool down.
We need to let that cool. Turn off the stove.
Okay.
All right, so
now you can put the
so we're taking the matzo farfel and putting it into a nice big bowl,
you can beat up a couple eggs.
and we're going to beat up a couple of eggs. Here are the eggs. That's 1 and 2. Don't get the shell in like I did. And now we'll beat it up with a fork. Really easy. And the reason why we put hot water on the farfel is to make it nice and soft. But when you bake it, it's going to be nice and crispy and delicious. So we'll just add the egg. We're just going to pour the egg over the matzo farfel. And we'll mix it up. Just mix that up. Just incorporate it all into the farfel. Okay. And then we'll add...
We'll taste it after we get everything in.
Yeah, then we add all the vegetables in, and then we always taste afterwards.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let that cool down.
Okay. So, now what? We preheat the oven to about 350, Mom?
Yeah.
We preheat the oven to 350.
We oil the pan.
And we oil the pan. I mentioned that. My mom's reminding me.
And because we put oil in all the vegetables, we don't need more in the stuffing.
Yeah, so we don't add more oil in the stuffing because we have enough oil in these yummy vegetables. Okay. All right, so now we're going to add this to... I'm going to bring the bowl over here because I think it's a lot easier to add it. Okay? So just adding that in. I usually just dump it. Dump it in. All right. And then you just mix this in. So we always taste it afterwards.
Does it need more salt?
It might need more salt or pepper or garlic or oregano. You never know. But it smells incredible. I wish they invented smell a video, right? And then you guys could smell it too and see how tasty this is. Okay, so we'll just taste. Definitely needs more salt.
I knew it.
Definitely needs more salt.
Yeah, because of all that matzo farfel.
Yeah, because of all the matzo farfel. All right. Lots more salt. So that's what you have to do, people. You have to taste. I think it needs more poultry seasoning too. Yeah.
Okay.
More salt.
You didn't mix it good.
Oh, my mom told me I don't mix it well. Well, I didn't mix it well this time. I usually do.
I want to make sure.
Yeah.
Then you'll say I oversalted it.
Yeah. See? Then she'll blame me. That's better. You taste it.
Okay.
Now my mom has to taste it. Okay. Good? Delicious.
A little more salt.
Yeah, we like a little bit more salt. We like lots of flavor.
Okay.
Don't cheat me, Mom. We don't want her to cheat me. So we're just going to add this. First, we're going to just add some oil.
No, you got enough oil.
No, just in the pan.
Okay, you want more this here poultry seasoning?
A little drop. You can put a drop in. So we just add some oil. And usually I just take a paper towel and just wipe it around. And bake it for about an hour, Mom?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, she's the expert. I'm learning from my mom.
Is that too much? I don't know.
Yeah, here, just put some in my hands. We'll just add a little bit at a time. Turn it around. I can't. Okay, I'll sprinkle a little bit.
Yeah.
Sprinkle a little bit in. And we'll just try it.
Yeah.
And I think it's going to be amazing. This is everybody's favorite. Oh, perfect, Mom. Perfect. So about a tablespoon and a half of poultry seasoning. But I'll write everything down. Here, we can put that back. Don't want to waste it. And I write everything under my videos, okay? So you'll get the whole recipe. And now we're just going to add it right in here in the casserole dish. Oh, yeah. And then you're just going to pat it down and put it in the oven and bake it. And you will love this stuffing. Special Passover stuffing. All right. And if you don't have matzah and matzah farfel and you want to try it with bread, you can substitute it if you don't celebrate Passover, or you can enjoy this all year round. This is a delicious stuffing. Okay, I hope you love this recipe and you subscribe and share and visit me at Risa's Recipes and say Happy Passover.
Happy Passover.
And Happy Passover to you guys from Molly's Kitchen. And we love you guys. Take care.